Okay, babe.
Is there presents? Big presents! Okay, let's go downstairs and check it out. What do you see? I see different presents and big presents. Mario and Luigi.
Mario and Luigi.
Hey! And a bike too.
Holy cow! He brought you a bike.
And then he brought all the presents.
Holy cow! He ate your cookies.
Huh?
He ate your cookies and he left you a note.
Huh?
Look at that.
Mommy, nobody doing cookies.
Wow, Bub. I like that bell. Pretty cool. We'll have to open up the gifts and check it out. You can take your bike outside when the sun is actually up, and we can maybe